Good morning, first year GNM students. Next topic in environmental hygiene was waste. So it is the third topic in environmental hygiene. It's coming under community environmental hygiene. So I was taken yesterday A, before that water. So topic is completed on that. Next topic in that environmental hygiene second unit was waste. Generally, what is waste? It means you might be knowing waste, everywhere it is there, like human waste, animal waste, hospital waste. So many waste is there. Everyday waste you will get, but you should know how to dispose the waste. Solid waste separate, and liquid waste separate, gas waste separate, like that separate category is there for the waste. So if you are throwing here and there, so many disease you will get, and it will affect you also as well as the environmental also. In the hospital we have biomedical waste category, like human waste separate, blood separate, needle separate, gloves, disposable gloves separate, like a separate bin is there for every waste. So you have to put in that waste only. You should protect ourselves of environmental also. So that is a topic, that is the topic details. Okay, you might be knowing this topic very clearly, very comfortable, or might be knowing the meaning of this topic also. Okay, this is regarding the introduction about the waste. Coming to definition part, what is the waste? It is a useless unwanted material for which no use is intended. Human and animal activities generate waste. What is the definition of waste? It means it is a useless, sometime it may be used, but 90% it is a useless unwanted material. It's not wanted, unwanted material, not used in intended. Especially human waste is there, as well as the what animal waste also is there. Both the things only will get the waste products, animal as well as the human beings. This is the definition of waste. Okay, I think it's clear what is the waste. It is a useless unwanted material. It is excreted from the human waste as well as the animal waste. This is a definition of waste. Next classification of waste is depending upon the three categories is there: solid waste, liquid waste, and gaseous waste. Solid, liquid, and gas. These are three category or three types. Depending upon this, waste is divided. So entire topic of waste is depending upon the solid, liquid, and gas. Coming to solid, what is solid waste? It means it is a interchangeable use, means solid waste is a, means I'll tell, it is divided into two: biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste example like agricultural waste, food waste, and paper. These are the example. Agriculture waste, you know. Food waste also, you know, what kind of food, if you are taking more, it is a waste only. That is biodegradable waste. Non biodegradable waste like plastic, metals, uh, then what, radioactive waste. Plastic, metal, and radioactive, these are the non biodegradable. Solid waste, it's from the human waste only. Okay, next coming to liquid waste. Liquid waste, it is waste from the industry, you know, industry, mine, and radioactive waste. It is, that is liquid waste, it's coming from the industries. Next, gaseous waste like CSF gases and old refrigerator, vehicle extent, etc. These are the gas, it's extent, it is also one of the waste. Solid, liquid, and gases. I'll given the notes, I given with that what picture also, easy to understand what is solid waste and what is liquid waste and what is gaseous waste. Gaseous waste, especially from the industries, from like all the gas, any type of industries, it's coming, that is a gas. Liquid means like a dot like watery type liquid material. Solid means like thick. So this is solid, liquid, and gaseous. What is waste and what are the three types of waste? Solid, liquid, and gas. I given with the definition as well as with the examples. Firstly is coming to solid waste. Millions of tons of waste is produced from the human excreta. Daily we are getting the waste through the human beings only, all around the world. So solid waste is from the household offices, factories, industries, etc. It's different from country to country, state to state. Okay, then from urban to rural also, every, it's depending upon their states, their country, their area it's different. Okay. Then solid waste like vegetables, papers, textiles, dust, metals, glasses and miscellaneous, these are the solid waste. Then what is the source, where you are getting the solid source? Solid source means understood, means human waste only. It's different from what one country to another country and one state to another state. It's different from urban to rural also. So what are the example for this solid waste? Might be vegetables, paper, textiles, dust, then glasses as well as miscellaneous, these are the solid waste. Then what is the source, where you are getting this solid waste? First is domestic use, second one is the industrial use, third one is the agriculture. These are the source of waste of solid waste. What are they? Domestic, industrial as well as agriculture. These are the three main source of the solid waste. Coming to domestic example, like first is domestic, it's divided into two, means it's under that we have two categories. First is garbage. Garbage, all you all know that peeling of vegetables, fruits, leaves, that is a garbage. From the what kitchen you will get, know that vegetable waste what we are peeling, and fruits and vegetables as well as leaves, what and all that we are getting, that is a garbage waste. Next what is that? In industrial waste we have from the means from the industrial large amount we will get. Factory waste, from the industry of course we'll get the factory. What are the waste? Food processing industry, skins, blood bone, air of sluggers, houses, flax, etc. These are the waste we are getting from the industry, that is the industrial waste. E-waste also is like the e-waste include discarded computers, mobile phones, electronic equipment, that is the e-waste. This are all meaning, you know, discard of computers, mobiles, you know very clearly, mobile and computer, electronic waste, these are the e-waste, it's coming under the industrial. Next, constructive waste like demolish, no, demolish the building or factory, that is also waste only, that is coming under the constructive waste. These are three categories, it's coming under the industrial waste. First is domestic, like garbages are depending, means it's wastage from the what kitchen. Next is the what means industrial waste like e-waste I told, then constructive waste I told, industrial waste. Next, coming to agricultural waste, of course agricultural waste like sugar cane bases, wheat straw, rice husk, groundnut shells, waste of crops, dumping of sheep, dung of cattle, goat, etc. Nothing, all it's depending upon the agricultural waste from the agriculture area. Next, commercial waste like shop, stores, restaurants, workshops, school, colleges, airports. This and all waste you'll get, no, in this and all categories. This is coming under the commercial waste. Okay, these are the source of solid waste. Firstly domestic, secondly industrial, thirdly what agriculture, fourthly commercial. These are the source of solid waste. What is solid waste and what are the source I told. Next, coming to the causes, what is the reason for this? First is overpopulation. Of course India, China is the first country in the world, it's more population. Next is India, of course the key, it is a human waste, no, so of course people are increasing, automatically will get the waste. First is the overpopulation, second is increased production and decreased consumption, means with the increased production and decreased number, our fashion item will go through, our fashion items will be throw away from the industry, means increasing solid waste. Production is more but consumption is less, due to that also will get the waste. This is also reason for the waste. Next, advanced technology. Advanced technology lead to manufacturing of cans, plastic container, place glasses, this and all advanced technology. Due to this is also reason for the solid waste. I'll repeat once more, what are the reason for the solid waste? First is overpopulation, second one is increased production and decreased consumption, thirdly advanced technology. These are the three main reason for the solid waste. I'll tell paper, food, cardboard, garbage, glass, metal, plastic, rubber, these are the waste products. Okay. Next, health hazards. If you are not maintaining the health, means if you are not maintaining the waste properly in the separate container, especially solid waste, what and all disease you will get? Firstly, rodents, like rodents, Means generally I tell for adult health disorders, you will get chemical waste. If you are wasting, you will get poison you will get, and death also sometimes, chemical waste. Secondly, contamination means cholera you will get, GI disease you will get, jaundice you will get, hepatitis you will get. Cholera, GI means just gastrointestinal system, and jaundice and hepatitis, and you will get like diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, malaria, dengue, tuberculosis. This and all disease you will get. I'll repeat what and all disease you will get if you are not maintaining properly the solid waste. That means cholera, GA system means gastrointestinal, jaundice you will get. Then what else? Tuberculosis means TB. Next, diarrhea, dysentery, then cholera, malaria, then dengue. This and all disease These and all disease you will get if you are not maintaining the solid waste. How to manage the disease? Firstly, you should improper disposable of other, means you should know how to dispose the waste in different categories. You should know, only you can tell to others. Then you have to maintain that separate container for each waste. Then it is easy to take also, easy to discard also. You won't mix all the things. Human waste is separate. So first waste, like I told what and all waste before, on domestic waste is there, agriculture waste, industrial waste and commercial waste, all the waste is there. This and all area will get the waste. So door to door transaction you should do, and means curbside collection or community storage point. Means if your people is coming to your door only to collect the waste, so door to door. After that vehicle will come to put the waste, you have to put on that. Then community store means one area to another area it is transferring. So like that you should maintain the waste. Secondly, transfer from the vehicles. Next, any pneumatic pipes also will transfer the waste. Then open dumping, openly you will dump, and dump you will do. And disposable of controlling dipping, incineration and composting. And if that and all things we can use reuse or recycling or reclaiming also we can do. That is nothing. Generally I'll tell about how to manage the disease, how to manage the waste. Means as a nurse in the hospital also, in the community area also, you should maintain the separate container for each waste. Solid waste is different, liquid waste is different, gas waste is different. Like that you have to maintain the all categories. Then you have to put in that box, means bin only. Then only you can maintain the waste. So from, if your home waste from the dustbin, from the doorstep to door you should transfer. Then you from door to door you, and after that you should put in the one community center point you should put. After that it is transferring from the vehicle. After that they are dumping. After that, if you are dumping and burning also they will do. This and all, it's you are maintaining correctly. After that, if any articles we can reuse or recycling or reclaiming also we can do. This is the management of solid waste. I'll summarize the topic today's what I taken. First means what is a waste? It is a useless and used material. What we are, it's sometime it may be useful, or 90% it not be useful again. And what are the things? Solid waste, liquid waste as well as gaseous waste. And first under that solid waste I told what are the source, where and all it's coming, like in domestic, agriculture, industries as well as commercial. I told what is the reason, like overpopulation, increased production or decreased consumption as well as advanced technology. What under disease you will get if you are not maintaining the solid waste. So many diseases you will get, and how to manage the solid waste. So this is about the solid waste. What is waste I told, what are the types I told, solid, liquid, gas. And what is solid waste I told, what are the source and what are the reason and what are the health hazards, as well as what is the management of solid waste. So solid waste is completed. Next, liquid waste is there, gaseous waste is there. So if fully it's coming under the waste. Any doubts anywhere you can ask me. You will go through the video, I'll sending the notes also, you just check it out. Any doubts anywhere you can come and ask. Okay, thank you.